Thanos crew. And today, massive storm, guys. Thunderstorm. Yeah, guys. Oh my gosh, look at that. Right? Like, so, yeah, guys, this is the storm that I'm talking about. Let me see if I can get over. Might not be a good view, but hopefully it is. Like, bro, it just looks insane. Like, it looks crazy, guys. I completely forgot. The wind is so calm. There's no wind. But, guys, here it comes, okay? So we're getting some severe weather. This thing is gonna come right towards us. It's gonna be crazy. Look at that bird. Look at that bird. He's just like, I'm out of here. He's like, I'm out of here, bro. I ain't getting no sucked up by no tornado. But Thanos crew. Oh yeah, the people are with Thanos crew. 2 people. It was one, I forgot their name, sorry. But 50-50 Punch is one of them. I saw your video, it was pretty cool. I subscribe to you too, so good. But guys, and I know your goal is to hit 100 subscribers. I heard about that. 50-50 Punch. Or Maverick. I know your name because I saw one of your videos like about. Okay, guys, it's coming in fast. We better go. It's coming in fast. Yo, it just like sped up. It just like sped up. It just sped up. Now it's coming closer. And yeah, hopefully you make that goal if you accomplish it. Hopefully you accomplish the goal of 100. I hope so. Someday you will. And trust me, I want 100 so bad. Like I was begging for 100. But guys, look at how low that cloud is. Yo, look at how fast it's moving. Dude, it's coming so close. Guys, look at the... Jack, look at it. This is crazy.
I'm not going out by park.
Yo, it just got dark. Holy. It just got like dark. Oh, you can hear it. You can hear it. Rotation. Almost. Yo, you can hear it. Oh my gosh, yo. You can hear the wind. Yo, what is that? Jack! Jack, come here. Jack. Yo. Thanos, what's happening? Jack, come here. Jack, you can hear the wind. It's like crazy. Come here. Look it. Come here. Oh my gosh. Yo, it's getting windy. Oh my gosh, it just got freezy. Yo, it just got. Yo, NATO gang. NATO gang. Oh my gosh. Why am I saying this? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Holy shit. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yo. 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 It's going down right now. Oh my gosh. Yo. Here it comes, bro. Bring it to me. Bring it. Bring it. Bring it on. Guys, we put the sandbags in the wrong spot. Oh my gosh, guys. Yo! Yo! Oh my gosh. Lightning. Good. Get inside. Yo, guys. Guys, this is crazy. The wind, it was like a tsunami. Like the water just all comes and you just see this big, like it was crazy. The wind just picked up so much. Oh my gosh. Yo, this is it. Oh my gosh. Holy shit. Yo, I am taking a video right now. Oh, no. Yo, look at over there. Alright, but I gotta film, bro. I'm the filmer. Yo. Whoa. Yeah. Dude, this is crazy. 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 Yo, look at over there.
I'm gonna get a video, but you gotta be quiet.
Okay. It's starting to rain a lot. Oh yeah, set your phone. Jack, put it in a bag. Yo, damn, screw, what is happening? Jack, no, you could hear the wind where that one thing was. It's crazy. Oh, guys, this is. Oh my god, that island. Look at island. Come on. Guys, I don't know what just happened. No, Jack, you can like hear the wind like starting to come. Like you can hear it over there. Dude, it got so cold. Like, Jack, you could feel it when the storm got closer. All of a sudden, it just, like, dropped, like, 5 degrees. It was crazy. Oh, I'm freezing right now. Guys, this is a crazy tropical storm. It's not really tropical, though. Oh, my gosh. Yo, that's crazy. Guys, this is insane. Guys, I don't know. Okay, guys, I'm going to end the video here. I'll make another one if it gets worse. But yeah, guys, I'll see ya. Danos here.